Hi guys, welcome into the actress vlog today. Today it's gonna be completely short and sweet. So today we have another day, another training with Jerzy Grotowski. Today exercise is called King. This exercise you can do it on your own. If you have guitar or piano in your house, it's even better because this exercise is for your voice, so it's good for actors and singers as well. My plan was to show you how to do it, but unfortunately, as you can hear, my voice is completely different. I'm a little bit sick, so I'm afraid my voice wouldn't do great job today. As I said, King is for voice. To do that exercise, we need just those two words, King. If you have a piano, if you have a guitar, you're just going from the lower scale to the higher scale. So when you have exercise for voice like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, si, sol, or la 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 la. So same thing you're doing with the word king. So you can try say those words, king, or even better is try to sing, because then your voice is more melodic. So you have this note, yeah? No, and you're doing king, then you're going no, and you're going king, and you're going no, king. As you see, this exercise you're doing following the music exercises, so singing exercises. So using such a simple, notes like from the exercise for mamma mimo, or la la la, or do re mi fa sol la. You just using those two words, king. So you remember, you starting from the lower notes, you going up to the top as much as you can, then you coming back again down, you repeating again. Try to do this exercise, 3 times a week if you can, and each of the time try to do this exercise for about 5 minutes, and you're gonna see the difference. You're gonna see how your voice stretching. I'm definitely gonna again recommend you to record yourself when you're doing, so you can actually rewatch everything later and see the difference. However, when you're gonna start doing this exercise, you're gonna see the difference. Even on the very beginning, you're already gonna sort of see the difference. So yeah guys, I promise, short and sweet. I do apologize I couldn't do it for you, but you can do it without me. I just give you the points, and now you can do the king exercise by Jerzy Grotowski. Guys, if you like what you see, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Leave me a comment, leave me why you like, why not. Ring that bell, observe me, and join our little family. And yeah, see you next week, guys. Bye.